Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Sassy Colors just released their 2023 summer collection, and it's called Summer Blooms. And for today's video, I'll be unboxing the PR kit sent to me by Sassy Colors. And of course, I'll be swatching them. We have this beautiful pink Sassy Colors PR kit box. Thank you so much, Sassy Colors! Sassy Colors magic gel polishes are earth-friendly, cruelty-free, no toxic ingredients, and 21-free. And at the back of this one, it says, "Hi Mr. Mel, I'm so excited for you to try our summer nail polish collection. This 7 nail color set is inspired by the flowers that bloom during summertime. Just like our previous collections, this series has a totally clean formula. We are 21 free from harmful ingredients, earth-friendly, and cruelty-free. Can't wait to see what you think about it. Thank you so much for inspiring us with your stunning creations. We hope you'll bloom just as bright and fresh as ever. Have a great summer ahead. Keep shining, Sassy Colors team." Sassy Colors Magic Gel Polish line has a longer wear, vibrant color and shine, and it doesn't need a UV lamp to dry. And it can last up to 14 days. Let's remove this one, and here we have the items inside the PR kit. We have an adorable sunflower crochet. Then 2 different colored crochet watermelon slices. These crochet stuff are so cute, perfect for the summer season. We also have a seashell and a starfish ornament. We also have this classy golden Sassy Colors mirror. Now let's move on to the nail polishes. We have Creme Rose, Blue Freesia, Sweet Pea, Pink Peony, Red, Hot Poppy, and Witch Hazel. We also have their magic gel base and top coat. Now that we're done with the unboxing, let's move on to the swatching part of the video. Let's first swatch Creme Rose. I'm applying the second coat. And I'm applying the third coat to even it out. Keep in mind that working with thin layers is the best when it comes with this nail polish. Creme Rose is a pale yellow shade. Second we have is Hot Poppy. Now for the second coat. Hot Poppy is a rusty orange shade. Third we have is Blue Freesia. I'm applying the second coat. Then I'm applying the third coat. Blue Freesia has an azure blue shade. Fourth we have is Pink Peony. Now for the second coat. Pink Peony has a watermelon pink shade. Fifth we have is Sweet Pea. I'm applying the second coat. Now I'm applying the third coat. Sweet Pea has a pastel apple green shade. Sixth we have is Witch Hazel. Now for the second coat. Witch Hazel has a mustard yellow shade. And last but not least, we have red. Now for the second coat. Red is a 100% red shade. And there we have it, the 7 summery shades from Sassy Colors. These shades are available at their official Shopee mall. Link for it will be provided on the description box below, together with their social media accounts. Among the 7 shades, which do you fancy? Do you think you will be getting the whole collection? I want to know your answers, so don't forget to leave it on the comment section. And I guess that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!